Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to the latest reports being received from the Desi front, Tigray Defense Force has fully gained control of the Desi, and now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering Kambolcha. Viewers, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force has gained full control of Kambolcha without any resistance. Where some pictures were also shared by Tigray Defense Force this morning, in which Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen in the surroundings of Kambolcha. And now, according to Tigray Defense Force, the Tigray Defense Force soldiers have taken full control of Kambolcha, including Kambolcha Industrial Park. Yes, but now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force gained full control over Kambolcha without any armed resistance. Yesterday, Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies moved from Dessie to Kambolcha, and now reports are being received that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are also leaving the Kambolcha city. Because Tigray Defense Force soldiers are currently entering Kambolcha city. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force had the opportunity to stop Tigray Defense Force from entering Kambolcha, but now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are in full control of Kambolcha without any armed resistance. And this is also because the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies could not stop Tigray Defense Force from entering the Dessie. So Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in Kambolcha have already given up and made no resistance in Kambolcha against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, few hours ago, there were reports from Tigray Defense Force that Tigray Defense Force soldiers will take full control of Kambolcha in next few hours because can no longer prevent Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies Tigray Defense Force from gaining control over Kambolcha city. Viewers, Kambolcha is also a big city in terms of population like Dessie. So of course, there can be no fighting inside the city of Kambolcha. And if the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies wanted to prevent Tigray Defense Force from gaining control over Kambolcha, so they would stop Tigray Defense Force soldiers out of Kambolcha because there is a distance of about 20 km between Kambolcha and Dessie city, but no resistance from Ethiopian National Defense Force. And now Tigray Defense Force has started to enter in Kambolcha city. And of course, like Dessie, Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies have acknowledged their defeat in Cambodia, and now many reports are that Tigray Defense Force gained full control of Cambodia without any fighting. And reportedly, Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are also leaving Cambodia. Of course, this defeat is not less than a big blow for the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. And at this time is required to handle the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. But this is a huge victory for Tigray Defense Force, which will open the way towards Addis Ababa for Tigray Defense Force. And after gaining full control over Cambodia, now Tigray Defense Force eyes are on Addis Ababa. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers will move towards Addis Ababa to topple the current government in Ethiopia. And now Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army can get stronger together because the alliance between Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army has already been established, which can be a major threat to the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Ethiopian government. Viewers and reports coming that General Bacha Deble have fled from Cambodia and arrived in Addis Ababa. Also, General Zewdu, Lieutenant General Yemer, and other famous corps commanders. Following the fleeing of the general, they fled to Debre Birhan, then arrived in Shoa Robert. And on the other hand, Oromo Liberation Army claiming that they won a big war against Ethiopian army and its allies. According to the Oromo Liberation Army fighters gained full control over Kemsi town, which is situated almost 75 kilometers far from Dessie city in Amhara region. And the Oromo and Tigray Defense Force are allies, and the two armies are in a very short distance to reach each other. And on the other hand, US Department of State declared a statement. According to this statement, the United States is gravely concerned by the expansion of combat in northern Ethiopia and said that we reiterate our call for the Tigray People's Liberation Front to withdraw from the Amhara and Afar region, including halting its advances in and around the cities of Dessie and Kambolcha. And we urge the Tigray People Liberation Front not to use artillery against cities and recall our strong objections to the Ethiopian National Defense Force airstrikes in Mekelle and other areas of Tigray which have cost countless lives. And there is no military solution to this conflict, and all parties must begin ceasefire negotiations without precondition. And said that we reiterate our call for all parties to protect civilians and end human rights abuses and violations of international humanitarian law. Those responsible for such abuses and violation must be held accountable. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.